Yo, what up, guys? It's Rob. I'm sick as fuck. This really sucks. We're doing kind of like a little vlog today. We're actually going to be finishing up another video today as well, so maybe I'll get some footage of me recording a video for this video, maybe time-lapse it or something, who the fuck knows. We are using the GoPro. As I was telling you guys, I did get a whole shit ton of attachments for that. I do need one more attachment, though, so I can actually use the fucking tripod I got, which kind of sucks, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Not a huge deal, to be completely honest. I don't really care too much. It would just make certain things like this a little bit easier as opposed to having to hold the camera. I can just set it. Actually, I do have something to set it right up, but we're going to be moving the camera around, showing you guys what I'm looking at here in a minute, because I actually want to show you guys this Bluetooth speaker. It's a Bluetooth speaker I've had here for a while. It's the Onyx Studio 3 by Harman Kardon, and this thing actually plays some pretty low fucking bass. Last night I was really lazy and I had it downstairs in the kitchen. I was listening to some music while just cleaning up after I got home. And yeah, I just got too lazy because the charger fell under my desk. So I just threw the fucking thing under my desk, and holy shit, is the bass response really good under there. We're going to play this song right here by Travis Scott. And this is like an edited, rebased version.
I cannot change. In the hills, deep off in the main. Eminem, sweet like candy cane. Like candy cane. Drop the top, drop it, let it bang. Drop it.
That, guys, I was all the way on the other side of the room, all the way the fuck over there. And I didn't even have this turned up all the way. About 3/4 of the way up. It's at 70% right now. So about 3/4 of the way up is what I had this volume at. And personally, I think it sounds fucking awesome. I've had this thing actually for about maybe like a year now. And I've been really happy with it. I got it actually at the Sprint store. I had like a coupon with them or something for like $200 off of it. And then I was able just to get the rest of it added to my bill, so that's what I ended up doing to buy that. I just wanted to show it off just because I thought you guys might find that a little interesting. We also got another new little mod here. Those of you who know, I do vape, and I got a new little mod here. Got the other two right down over here. But I got this one. It's a Mech. It's a squonker. It has a weird name, but you just hit that right there. That's your bottle of juice, and then that's it. There's no fucking extra bottle or anything. It's awesome. Takes a nice little battery. This thing was like $60 for the whole kit. So I was very happy with that. Then I got some new juice also, you guys can see down in here. I got a sample box again, been a long time since I've had one of those. Just something I wanted to mention for those of you who didn't know that I vaped or anything. Something I've been doing for a few years now. Just listening to some music today though, really. Playing some Call of Duty earlier. Doing pretty good with that. Got our little Drop Dead guy here too. What's up, man? I've had you for like 6 fucking years. I got another one too that's still in the box. Also, Drop Dead, for those of you who don't know, it's my favorite clothing company. I got that from them too, that little Sonic print. Thought that was pretty cool. It's actually the boxes of one of their shirts that you guys have probably seen me wear before. I don't know if my whole desk was set up like this last time I showed you guys. I know that it was up here, but I don't know if it was set up. We got the bed up here too. I don't know if this was up here last time, but I had to cut this bitch in half. Not the bed itself, the bed I folded up and screwed up here, but the box spring I had to cut in half to get up the stairs. Because the opening right there was hitting the fucking ceiling. I got lazy here painting too. I gotta finish this. Maybe I'll finish this today, I don't know. It's New Year's Eve also. Me and Kayla going out to a party later tonight. But she don't get off work till 8. She has to come back here, so that's 8:30. We'll probably leave at 9, and then it's in Franklin Square, which is an hour away. So we'll get there 10. Chill for a while. It'll be fun, hopefully. I was very upset about this too. Look at this. My fucking whiteboard's warping. You guys see that? I don't know why the fuck that's happening. It wasn't like that 3 days ago. All down here too. I don't know if it was maybe because of the temperature and all that, but I don't know. It pissed me off when I noticed that. Oh shit, I spilled my drink. There we go, we got that. But what the fuck are we doing? Maybe I should go get my stuff ready to go do that video, and then I can finish up, because we're just going to be finishing up the light install. So if I can go finish that up and get that all cleaned up, ready to go, that would be cool. Get the rest of the sound cube deadener up there. I think we're gonna go do that, and then maybe come back in here, hang out a little bit. I don't know. We're just gonna be, I don't know, fucking recording today, I guess. Don't really got much planned, but we'll probably edit it as we go so I can figure out what I want to do. Definitely have Kayla here later on, though. Guys, so we've actually been pretty productive. We were just sitting down for a minute, taking a break, vaping. What the fuck have we done now? We got the light done in the car. That video will be going up today, hopefully. I'm going to start editing that in just a little bit. I got 2 more things I want to do, but then I'm going to start editing that. I got to record part of it at night just to really show, you know, how bright it is. That's why I haven't been in too much of a rush. But one thing we did was we put this extension cord here. We ran it back through here for Kayla because there's no outlet in here. I actually did find one in here, but it don't work. Because, see, she obviously has a fucking work seat from Harbor Freight. Because one day, I had to get up there to that top shelf. I was actually putting that up there, right there. Actually, no, I was putting my hockey skates up there. I was putting the roller hockey skates up there. Because I kind of took over this top shelf here, and most of that one, because Kayla, she can't reach up there. So, that's what we ended up doing. And, if you guys can see, definitely didn't help. If you guys can see that little outlet right up there, I found that because I was standing up on the nice bench that she had that matched the table, and it fucking blew out while I was up there. The thing just fucking shattered. Then, as I'm falling, I grab onto this. I fucking ripped this hanger down. All the fucking clothes are on the ground. It was terrible. You can kind of see I just stuck a couple of drywall screws in there and called it a day, and then put it back up. But that's what happened, so I got her that for Christmas to kind of make up for it. We also attacked these lights over here. We got rid of the lights. Took those down today. Actually a minute ago, that was a pain in the ass. But we're going to be going through painting this now, and then after that, we're going to make something to eat. So maybe I'll teach you guys the secrets to making a grilled cheese, the greatest fucking grilled cheese you guys have ever had. Trust me, I know how to make grilled cheese like a boss, if you guys have ever heard me talk about it. You know I'm passionate about my grilled cheese. It's like the only thing I can cook, and I'm pretty proud of it. But, yeah, I mean, that's really it for today. You know, we're just kind of chilling. I'm going to keep vlogging throughout the day. I've been enjoying this. I haven't done this on this channel yet. You know, back when I had my gaming channel, maybe once a week or so, I would do, like, a vlog like this. And ever since I started this car audio channel, I haven't done a vlog. And I would like to do some vlogs more often to have content to upload for you guys that are, you know, audio related. Like I was doing that thing with the speaker earlier. You guys saw me do, you guys didn't see me do, but in the process of this video I did the light. You know, what I'm doing when I'm not up in your face making videos, because I do want to have more content to upload. Because you guys are awesome. Fucking less than a month ago we had 100 subs and now we're at 256. This is crazy. I know it's not like a crazy number like, you know, some of the other channels out there in car audio or in other fields of YouTube, but it's awesome for me because like I've said before, my last channel, it was doing great and then it just stopped. It fucking just stopped. And I don't know what happened, and that hasn't happened with this. We're doing great. New subscribers are coming every single day to the channel, and I welcome all of you. Every single time one of you guys hit the subscribe button, you become part of a little family we got going on here. I'm gonna go get my paint shit ready, go get changed. Maybe I'll show you guys a little bit of that, because we're just using a little 4-inch roller. We're not using anything too crazy. so we are back inside downstairs right now. As you can see, we got this all painted like we were talking about today. That all got done. But we're going to be making our grilled cheese that I was talking about. I'm fucking hungry. I had some soup earlier though. Kayla made it for me, but I was really craving this too. So we're going to make it. We're going to chill. We're going to watch some YouTube. I'm going to record it, time-lapse it, put some fucking cool music in it. It'll look dope. Let's get started, guys. Alright guys, so that's the fucking grilled cheese I'm always talking about. Look at how delicious that looks. They're awesome. Pause the video I was watching. But this is what I'm always talking about, and they are awesome. I can't fucking pause the video, but they're awesome. I love them. We're gonna take a bite in just a minute. We gotta let it cool off. But yeah, don't go sharing my recipe. This is valuable information, guys. Try to make one of these yourself. See if you guys like them. And I hope that came out cool, time-lapsed and everything. I'm working on getting better at the editing stuff, making the videos even just look better. Especially now that I have better equipment too, that I can really mess around with and be able to do that kind of stuff with. Let's go take a bite. Holy fuck. Oh, it's so good. Sometimes I'll also make it like this with steak, but we don't have steak right now. Other times I'll do steak and onions. Sometimes I'll just do a regular one. Sometimes I'll put fried cheese in it. So stay tuned for the grilled cheese segments of these videos, guys. I'm gonna go finish this up. Probably just play some Call of Duty, and I'll get back at you guys once Kayla gets home. We're on our way out. What's up, guys? I forgot to fucking take the camera with us to record like on the way to the party and on the way home and everything. Forgot to do that. So we made it home. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning right now.
It's 2:30.
It's 2:30, but I ran out of fucking juice, so I gotta put some more in here. There's one bad thing about this little fucking thing I got, but I still love it. Hey, we're just kind of wrapping up today. Say hi, babe.
Hi.
Oh, turn it around. Let's see. Let them see you. See me.
Hi.
But all in all, everything's going pretty good today. I think we had a pretty good day, right, babe?
Mm-hmm. Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year, guys. It's fucking New Year's Eve. We're gonna hang out for a little bit, get to bed. Kayla's got to be at work early. I get 2 days off in a row, so I'm going to be doing a lot of video editing. And hopefully we'll get some videos up tomorrow, Monday. That's what I'm planning for, at least. Oh, shit, I'm burping. I hope you guys did enjoy. Holy fuck, I can't stop. I hope you guys did enjoy. And as always, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and all that cool shit you guys do for me here on YouTube. It was Rob, and I'm out. Peace, guys. I hope you enjoyed.
I got my own weed, sucker, so I ain't gotta hit yours. I'm talking straight endo. like a Rastaman. Kush seed straight from a